Welcome to this exquisite 20-acre property in Ferrisburg, offering breathtaking views of the Adirondack Mountains. Imagine summers spent on the new deck, by the inviting in-ground pool, surrounded by nature's beauty. This home is bathed in natural light, blending old-world charm with modern conveniences. The spacious kitchen is a chef's dream, with imported Italian tile, marble countertops, and a sunlit breakfast nook. The dining area boasts pine ceilings and bird's-eye maple flooring, offering an ideal setting to admire the mountain views while you dine. Enjoy your mornings on the three-season porch, a serene spot to sip your coffee and take in the surroundings. Step into the elegant post and beam great room, featuring a cozy gas fireplace perfect for those chilly Vermont evenings. With 2 bedrooms and a study on the first floor, there's plenty of space for family and guests. The primary suite upstairs offers a private retreat, ensuring comfort and tranquility. The lower level includes a cozy family room with a fireplace, perfect for relaxation and hosting visitors. The 3-car garage features an office and an upstairs apartment. A new Kohler whole house generator and modern septic system provide peace of mind and convenience. Immerse yourself in country living, with the charm of Vergennes and Middlebury just a short drive away. And the vibrant small city of Burlington only 40 minutes from home. This is more than a home. It's a lifestyle of comfort, beauty, and convenience. Contact us today to make this stunning property your own.